I picked up this table at a local yard sale a couple of weeks ago, and as soon as I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do to it. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to clean it up, and then I'm going to give it a coat of primer, and I use the Zinsser Bullseye, which I love. And just so you know, primer is thinner than paint, so you just have to be careful that it doesn't run. But here I'm giving it a coat, and yes, I do paint the bottom because I feel like when someone puts it in their car and they turn it over, they don't want to see an unfinished piece of furniture. They want to see it finished and looking really pretty. So that's why I always paint the bottoms of things. Now I'm taking my heat gun just to finish drying the primer so I can begin to apply some paint to the table. Now the paint that I'm using is a custom color that I mixed up using some leftover chalk paint and some additional paint that I used just to make it a color that I really do love. This is like a dark blue, not quite a navy. Don't you wish you could paint this fast in real life? So once the first coat was done, I let it dry, and then I went back and I gave it a second coat. And now I'm giving the top its first coat, and I will let that dry, and then I gave that a second coat as well. It didn't take long for the paint to dry, and the color that I used combined with the prep work ahead of time, the paint job turned out gorgeous. So once that was done, I then took a transfer from IOD, and I'm putting a transfer on this table. And I do love this transfer. I've used it before for a couple of other similar tables, and it really just takes that piece to the next level. And here is the finished project. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload another video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to leave a comment as well. I always love your feedback.